DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang, what's good YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. The Dan back in the lab. Yeah man, no change man. For the Dan lab, you don't know what going on, you know. Yeah man, mad reactions and crazy bangers pan your what? Crazy bangers pan your what? Pan your head top man. If you don't know that, you don't even if you don't know that, you're not really part of the mafia, are you? But anyway gang, this is what we are doing today. Yeah man, we're there with none other than the Spartan boss. Yeah man, Mr. Uncle D man himself. This nigga is literally the father of a lot of these new school artists. If you're gonna do DNA tests, almost 80% of the new school artists are their man's son. No jokes. You see me here I say? But yeah man, we're gonna take that out right. You see me I say? But today we're there with family Sparta, the one named Revenge. We're gonna check it out and see what dog I deal with. You already know. But before we jump in the chat gang, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. You see me road to 10k now. Yeah man, believe man. 300 away from 7k and 3k away from 10k. You see me I say? So 3, 2, 3 and we're there right there. So you see me I say? Let's say how weird man. So just do the right thing gang. You like and subscribe button. You don't know code is life man. You see me I say? You can't that bad mind. Yeah man gang, we'll jump right in the chat. This is family Sparta, the one named Revenge. Come on, let's get it. X-Style music. Let's get it.
Pain in the road, breathe in my eyes, darkness on my mind. Do you even know?
Jaja, young youth, this is man. I'm with the virgin drop out. I'm brother, in cousin, some from a relative. That's traumatic at such a young age, man.
Take me in, some people want me dead. Time for me, my dear. Say man, I'm murderer. You kill one of me, brother. See what? See that? Me turn murderer. Me take a knife for another in the surgery. Hey, boss up the night, turn up the turbulent. Every time put a bossy Uzi boy, this Sparta we send murderer go to dead free. And now my soldier about 10 man alone, send 2 of them. You see a 20 of them. Pain in the road, shot to the road to your eye. A murder boy. I true you even know. Job will take me in, cause some people want me dead. Time to remember them. Say man I'm murderer.
Hold on, no. I mean, maybe you want to pull up this bomb. Maybe you want to pull up this. Yeah, dog, some member say man a murderer. I want to tune dog. Hey, I want to tune to play the Spartan boss now, but yeah, I'm pull up this bomb. Cause yo, not only the lyrics bad, but yo, y'all see the visual effects in this bitch? I always shoot that video, dog. The visual effects in this shit is crazy, gang. What's the dog them suit on the dog them dressed and everything that it's mad. Oh shoot the video.
Pain in the road, breathe in my eyes, darkness on my mind.
Ink Jobs, big up yourself, brother. Ink Jobs Studios, big up yourself, brother. The effects on this video is crazy. Come on.
Even know, job take me in. Some people want me dead. Time for me, my dear. Say man I'm murderer. You kill one of me, brother. See what? See that? Me turn murderer. Me take a knife for another.
You kill one of me, brother, for what? See that? Me turn murderer now, boy. Oh, hey!
Hey, boss up the night, turn up the turbulent. Every time put a bossy Uzi boy, this
yo, make it dog a bossy thing, so that. Wait, what? That make dog a bossy thing, so.
Take a knife for another in the surgery. Hey, boss up the night,
run up in there, buckler.
Every time put a bossy Uzi boy, this Sparta we send murderer go to dead free. And now my soldier about 10 man alone, send 2 of them. You see a 20 of them. Pain in the road, shot to the
Look at the effects on this shit.
murder boy.
Shot him in the road, shot tear out in the eye. A murder boy. I'm Tuno. Hey!
You even know.
You don't even know.
Job will take me in. Cause some people want me dead.
You know, it's a bad man pray to. You never know. A man say, shoot boy on the road, bust out him eyeball. A murder boy. A man say, Jah protect me head. You say, bad man pray to God too. You know that? Think how you alone?
Time to remember them. Say man a murderer. Me get dark, I know. Want it, hit the dogs, they move. Keep them to another slaughterhouse.
Hey, this nigga sliding on everybody, bro. For him little virgin. This nigga slide for everybody. Pro box, could I yard? Yeah, get it. Darker cloud road lava. Hey, Kwan.
If you want pussy, we kill fi pay. When this boss a shop, I feel like coffee day. Watching time can him shop books off you way. Revenge feel sweet like lemonade.
Man say you kill fi, boy, we kill fi pain. How did hold on, me hear dog I say.
We no kill fi want pussy, we kill fi pay. When this boss a shop, I feel like coffee day. Watching time can him shop books.
When dog say, yo, we no kill for war, we kill for please. When shop boss chop lock off for days. And that dog say, hey.
We no kill fi war pussy, we kill fi pay. When this boss a shop, I feel like coffee days. Watching time can him shop books off you way. Revenge feel sweet like lemonade. A which part?
Revenge feel like lemonade, boy. Easy, it's refreshing. It's refreshing. Clear bad man, boy.
Protect me. Blood in the road.
Jesus Christ, I got bust them head now. When you remember, I little charging, can't sleep. Oh, God. This nigga skating on everybody. Me don't blame him too. Just kill my little brother, my little charge him, my little cousin, my little nephew. Me don't know what it means to him. You see me? When you kill somebody close to me. What you mean, man? Yeah, man, everybody have to get it, man. We have slide pound one by one. Come here.
Blood in the road.
On the wall.
Darling, in my soul. You know me go so cold. Feel the wish for life. Man,
I'm murderer. Too. Man saying come for reminding you know. But I really talk. I saw enough of them youth get caught up in a badness, you know. You see me I say? Yeah, man, I saw enough of them look youth get caught up in a badness because I hear how them growing up. You see me I say? Something traumatic like this happened to them at a young age. Imagine you're a little party, you're not pre no badness, you just play around, rotate on the guard road. And you see a little charge dead in, get shot in front of you, get killed in front of you, get stabbed up, go chop up in front of you. You see me I say? Them things that affect people and change people, man. You see me I say, when I see them things, they man, to affect you because you don't want to trust nobody. And then I think you have to defend yourself. You see me, then I think you have to defend yourself, you have to go guard up. Not only with like ring, but guard up as in you have your defenses them. You see me, if you have your weapons them and thing. That's not for them you to get caught up in a badness, bro. You see something like that, bro, you can't even blame them. Because you see young and you see all your little bridge will probably not do nothing. You're not involved in nothing get dirt. You gotta say, yo, I go and now make this happen to you, you know. Plus you go on revenge. If you know say you little charge innocent and you know? Yeah, man, so also not for them you to get caught. You see me? Once blood shed and life lasts, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Because they say what wanna cost, what say wanna cost death no cost nothing. You see me I say? So, you know, as long as nobody know dead, it can't fix, you know. But you see once blood draw and people dead, a different ball game, man. Different ball game, man. I see dog, hey! We gonna fly! Like a jump in the sky, come in! Don't, hey! Don't play with Uncle D, man, you know, man. God, dog, can't sleep, dog. Torment! Cha. Yo, that song the bad, the video bad too, you know, dog. Family Sparta, the one the name Revenge. Crazy song, man. And them the darkness say family always come with steel, so you can't too. You see me? So if you're a family fan, you know, the Sparta boss fan, you're supposed to know when I come already. But yeah, man, gang. Bad tune. You see me? Sparta, Revenge, family Sparta, Revenge. A bad tune, man. You see me? I say, gang, bad tune, man. You see me? I say, the story that he's telling lyrically as well as visually. It's crazy. I like it. As I say, gang, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Make you know say the dance anyway. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Also, gang, let's get the dialogue going. Let me see what your favorite part was. Beat, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. You already know what time it is, man. Let's get a dialogue going. Let's get a discussion. Yo, cuz, you can't blame a little charge, dog. You did that little party, dog, and the man went to slide on y'all asses, bro. You feel me? Man slide part everything, brother. You know, the pro boxing in the road, in that house, man, I go for all of them, bro. I'm not blaming him, but, you know, unfortunately, dog can't sleep and get tormented and them thing there, but, you know, sad didn't get caught up in that life, but, yo, we're expecting to do that to somebody. You can't expect, you know? Yeah, but, yeah, man, gang, let's get a dialogue going. Let's talk about it. You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. You already know, road to 10K, like and subscribe. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.